Hi guys, welcome to DMA Learning Point. Welcome back to our channel. In today's session, we are gonna do trial balance problems which are meant for 2 marks in your examination. Okay, so the trial balance is prepared to write debit amount and credit amount separately, and it is the third stage in your accounting process. Okay, so here you have to get same total under debit side as well as credit side. Okay, so just a simple trick I'm going to show you in this video that it will be very beneficial for you, and use this trick in your exam and it will help you to get 2 marks easily. Okay, see here the format will be trial balance as on whatever the date has been mentioned in your paper or in your textbook, just follow that date. Okay, trial balance as on, so 31st December 2012. The format particulars LF, debit amount and credit amount. Okay, debit amount and credit amount should be equal. So here I'm going to show you the trick where you're going to get 2 marks easily. Okay, see here, first sales. Okay, just you remember this entries, I will explain you what it is. Okay, sales, capital, bank loan, bank overdraft. Okay, bank overdraft, then bills payable. Sixth entry creditors, and seventh is purchase returns. Okay, purchase returns, or one more name for purchase return is return outward. Just remember the 7 entries: sales, capital, bank loan, bank overdraft, bills payable, creditors, purchase returns or return outward. Okay, so if these entries come, if all those 7 entries are going to come in your paper, remember these entries will record under credit side of your trial balance. Okay, these 7 entries. Okay, if these 7 entries comes in your exam or it comes in your textbook, you have to write under credit side. Okay, it means your credit side. But if these entries are not found in your question paper, or if you in your problem, I mean to say that if these entries are not mentioned, it will be noted under debit side. Okay, apart from the 7 entries. Okay, apart from the 7 entries, if another entries comes, you have to write under debit side. Okay, if the 7 entries come, among that 7 you can get 2 or 3 or 4, just write it under credit side. But if these entries come, you have to write under debit side of your trial balance. Okay, and here you have to get debit and credit amount equally. So I'm gonna show you the problem. See here, from the following balance, prepare trial balance of Manas as on 31st December 2013. Particulars amount. So first thing what you do, just prepare, just write all those entries whatever is there in the question, just write it down. Cash, okay, sales, then what is next one? Salaries, next creditors. Okay, then 4 done, continue from this side. Okay, capital, then purchases, then debtors. Okay, just follow the entries, just write down same as usual in your problem. Okay, now see here, as I said you that if apart from the 7 entries, whenever you find some new entries apart from the 7, just write it under debit side. First entry is cash. Here you cannot find cash here. Okay, debit all assets, credit all liabilities. Okay, so here you cannot find cash. So if you're not finding anything from this end, you have to write under debit side. Okay, cash how much? 24,000. Credit will be nil. Next, sales. Okay, so sales, here sale is there, right? So if you find sale, it will be noted under credit side. So here the amount will be 30,000. Okay, next, salaries. Here salaries are there? No salaries, right? So just a second. So see here, salary is not mentioned, so it will be written under debit side. Okay, then creditors. See here, creditors here, right? Creditors, C for credit, C for creditors. How much? 10,000. So it will be written under debit credit side. Okay, now capital is there, right? Obviously is there capital, so these entries are recorded under credit side. So how much capital is there here? 64,000. Next, purchases. See here, only purchase return is there. Okay, you can find purchase returns but no purchase. Only if you are getting a purchase entry, single only purchase, it means you have to write under debit side. So most of the students will do mistakes there. Just remember one thing, if you get return, then only write under credit side. Okay, if you get purchase return, then only write under credit side. But when you get simple purchases, only purchase, it will be written under debit side. Okay, now debtors, D for debit, D for debtors. There is no debtors here, obviously it will be written under debit side. Okay, now do the total. 30,000 plus 10,000, 40. Okay, 40 plus 64, it will be 1,04,000. Okay, then 25 plus 15, it will be equals to 40, then 40, 40, 80, 80 plus 24, 1,04,000. Okay, so here you have to get same total. If you're getting a same total, then only you're gonna get a marks. Okay, I'll show you one more problem. Okay, see the next problem. Yes, come on, see here, see the next one. From the following balances, prepare trial balance of Ramu as on 31st December 2013. Okay, particulars amount is there. Just simply copy the entire entries. First here is capital. Okay, question number 10, guys. Okay, don't get confused. First write down capital. Okay, second bills payable. Okay, so second is bills payable. Third is bills receivable. These entries are very much important, guys. Just follow those tricks which I have been showed you. Okay, then fourth is furniture. Fifth, okay, this side furniture, then after that purchases, sales. Okay, then sales returns. Okay, just copy those entries. Now just check it out whether if this entries belongs to this end or not. After that, just substitute in that values. Okay, capital is there, here also capital, so where you have to write credit side. Okay, so the amount for the capital is 28,000. Okay, next bills payable is there, right? Fifth one, so it will be written on debit side, so the amount is how much? 13,000. Okay, 13 is there. Now bills receivable, see here, don't get confused between bills payable and bills receivable. See here, you have to write under bills receivable the debit side. Okay, the amount should be written under bills receivable, means debit side. But when you compare bills payable, it will be called as your liability, as well as every time you have to write under credit side, bills payable, and bills receivable means debit side. Okay, so here the bills receivable amount is 9,000. Okay, next furniture, there is no furniture in this column, so it will be done under debit side, 35,000. Next purchases, as I said that normal purchases, if you get it, it have to be written under debit side. Okay, so the amount is 36,000. Now sales, have sales here. Okay, directly sales means debit side. Okay, how much? 40,000. so here 40,000. Sales returns, there is no sales returns here. Okay, there is no sales returns, just only sales. Okay, if you get only sales, studied under debit side. Now sales returns. Okay, sales returns means debit side, how much? 1,000. Now just add it, 28,000 plus 13,000 plus 40,000. Okay, 0 0 0, 8 plus 3 11, 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here you get 81,000. Okay, next do the total. 9 plus 10, 1. Okay, 9 plus 1,000, it is 10,000, then 35,000, then 36,000. Now 0 0 0, 5 plus 6 11, 3 3 6 7 8. So you got the same total, right? 81,000, 81,000. So you have to get same total. If you get same total, then only you're gonna get 2 marks easily. Okay, so I hope that you people understood today's class regarding your trial balance. In the next video, we're gonna start opening entry. Thank you.